Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training. One of the things we coach you how to do is take a 10-step listing process that makes everything give you the best odds of getting your listing and getting it priced right. So the first step in the process is, you're walking up to the door, you're going to ring the doorbell, you're going to do all that stuff. But the first thing is you're going to give a little introduction to get the seller's head right, let them know what's at stake, and put you immediately in charge. The second thing is you're going to give them a little outline. You're going to take them to the kitchen table, give them a little outline of what you're going to be covering while you're with them. That makes them feel comfortable. Then you're going to ask them a series of questions. At the end of the questions, they must be sold on you. So the questions are designed, not hard to answer, make you feel stupid questions. It's very comfortable, very easy questions to answer. But at the end of the questions, they are selling you on why they should not use your competition, and they're selling you on why they should use you and your company. And when they're selling you on those things, you've arrived. At the end of the questions, they have to be sold on you, and they will be. Then you take the tour of the house. Then you come back, you sit down at the kitchen table, and you use the Fearless Agent listing presentation, which really is an objection-crushing machine and a competition-crushing machine. So the problem with objections is when they say them out loud, no matter how ridiculous it is, they will defend it to the grave. You know that. So you've got to crush those objections before they ever come up so that they say, oh yeah, that's right, and then it was their idea to do it your way. Then you close them to make a decision on whether you are the agent for them or not. If you are, then you're going to talk about the second most important decision they're going to make, and of course that would be the price. And then when they're sold on the price, then you're going to ask them a closing question, and then you're going to get the signature, and then you're going to get out. That's the 10-step listing process of a fearless agent. My job is to make sure that someday you become a fearless agent. Thanks.